How to book flight ticket online on the Emirates app. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can book a flight ticket online using the Emirates application. But first, just simply open up your Google Play Store or any app store that you can use on your mobile phone. And then from here, just simply choose on Emirates Airline app. This is the application that we're looking for. Simply download it, and if you already have it, ensure that you're using the latest version of the app by updating it. Open up the application and this is going to be your dashboard. Below that, you should be able to see Home, Book, My Trips, and then Skywards. Choose on Book, and from Search Flights, you should be able to see Return, One Way, and Multi-City. Now, in this tutorial, I'm just going to be choosing Return. Now, from the From section is choose on which designated airport you're in. Say, for example, this one right here. And then on two is where you will depart or where you will arrive. Afterwards is to choose on the travel dates by tapping on that, and these are the available dates of that current booking. Once you've selected it, don't forget to specify the passengers and cabin class. Now, if you're only traveling alone, then you don't have to touch anything from here. Now, once you hit on search, you should be able to see available flights where you could actually book it online using the Emirates application.